In the digital age, everything in the world is interconnected through advanced technology. From traditional manufacturing to global trade, logistics have always played a vital role. Smart logistics has become the best choice for logistics companies along with the wide application of AI in this industry. Dahua Technology, as a pioneer of smart logistics, is striving to inject new technology and vitality to modern logistics industry. In order to set up precise and valuable solutions, we study every application scenario in the workflow. When the parcels pass through the security inspection machine, it will automatically recognize if there's any prohibited goods in the parcels. Then draw out an efficient transportation plan through intelligent analysis based on big data. During transportation, Dahua Mobile Vehicle Solution will feed back the real-time status of the driver and vehicle to the Central Management Center, which will improve the safety of in-transit logistics. When the vehicle enters the logistics park, Dahua Vehicle Guide Solution supports unmanned management in entrance and exit. Then guide the driver to the corresponding dock. The screen above the dock displays the working status and operation vehicle information, which will assist staff to carry out high-efficient dispatching work. Dahua Logistics DWS solution, designed with the machine vision technology, is able to scan the barcode, weighing the parcel, and measure the 3D dimensions simultaneously. The efficiency will be more than 2 times higher compared with manual operation. On the other hand, the intelligence algorithm can monitor all the process, which make the operation more regulated and much safer. Dahua Smart Warehouse Solution can help logistics company to realize fully automatic robot handling and provide goods-to-person efficient service. With the thermal imaging technology, fire prevent becomes much easier. Big data is the basis for smart logistics solutions. We capture valuable data for further analysis to fulfill the precious management which will help logistics company to provide better service to customer. Parcel is a key object during the whole logistics workflow, from warehousing, pickup, distribution to delivery. Dahua Parcel Tracking Solution, combining barcode information with surveillance video, enables logistics companies to monitor the whole process of the parcel through central management. Dahua Smart Logistics Solutions always insists on injecting more technology power into the logistics industry and providing high-quality intelligent services to more customers.